exposing the hidden power in loneliness. It's not what you think. It's your secret to personal growth. Loneliness. It's a word that often sends shivers down our spines. But what if I told you it's not something to fear, but to embrace? You see, loneliness is not about suffering. It's an opportunity, a golden chance to truly understand who you are and what you value. It's the universe telling you, hey, it's time to focus on you. In our hyper-connected world, we're constantly comparing ourselves to others. But in moments of solitude, you get to hit the pause button. You get to listen to your own voice, your own dreams, and your own goals. Think about it with loneliness. You have the precious time to focus on self-discovery, to figure out what makes you happy and what you truly want from life. It's a gift, not a curse. Embrace this time. Don't let loneliness turn into suffering. Instead, let it become your ally. Use it to build your inner strength, to set your goals, and to chart your own path. Remember, personal growth happens when you're not distracted by the noise of the world. It's in those quiet moments, those solitary walks, those late-night thoughts that you truly find yourself. So next time you feel lonely, smile. You've been given the perfect opportunity to grow, to thrive, and to become the best version of yourself. Embrace loneliness. Let it be your secret weapon. Discover who you are and watch yourself bloom. You've got this.